on this screen, I've got an order, a court order, a family court order, and there's one bit of it that I'm just going to read out. It says, and don't worry about the relevance, it says, the day selected for contact on alternate weekends should cause the least amount of interference to the child's normal routine. At face value, that's a perfectly reasonable thing to say, isn't it? That's a perfectly reasonable thing to say that, if we're having to create contact for the child with the other parent, that we shouldn't have too much interference, and it shouldn't really get in the way of whatever it is they're doing normally. But hang on a minute, because actually I object to that quite strongly. Because what they've actually just said there is that the parent who is trying to engage in contact is an interference. The parent who is trying to see their child, and that is all they're trying to do, is interfering with that child's life by wanting to be part of it. And what is even more disturbing in terms of the wording on this order is that it says it shouldn't interfere with the child's normal routine. Well, hang on one moment, but is it not normal for a child to have time with their mum and with their dad? Is that not their normal routine? At which point do we decide that the parent who is absent, the parent who is outside the loop and having to use a court-ordered direction to get time with their parent, time with their child, at which point do they become outside the normal routine of that child?